Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'm Dr. Paul Morrison, and today I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of implementing role-based security in your IT environments. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding this concept can seriously bolster your security protocols. So let's dive in. First up, what is role-based security? Simply put, it's a method of restricting network access based on the roles of individual users within an enterprise. This ensures that only the right people have access to the necessary resources. Now, why is this important? Imagine you have a team where not everyone needs access to everything. By assigning roles, you minimize risks and maintain tighter control over your data. Think of it like giving a key only to certain doors in a building. Here's how you can set it up. Step 1, identify the different roles within your organization. These could range from administrators who need broad access to interns who might only need access to less sensitive areas. Step 2, define what each role can see and do within your network. This might involve setting permissions for files, databases, and applications. It's crucial to get this step right to avoid any unintended access. Step 3, implement the role-based access control, RBAC system. Most modern software systems support RBAC, but it's essential to configure it correctly to ensure it works seamlessly with your existing security measures. And finally, always keep your system up to date. As your organization grows and roles change, your security needs will evolve. Regular reviews and updates to roles and permissions are vital to maintaining a secure environment. That's a wrap on the basics of role-based security. Implementing these steps can significantly reduce the risk of data breaches and improve your organization's overall security posture. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe out there in the digital world.